A web component field defines an area in the form layout to instantiate a web component. You must define a web component field to display graphical components or input data in a web component. You typically define a web component field as form only because the data is usually specialized and you don't store the specialized data in a database. You must describe a gICAPI web component in an XML file before you can add it to a Form Designer document. Create the file with the .wc settings extension and configure the GST-WCDIR environment variable to point to the file location. If you have multiple gICAPI web components, all WC settings files must be saved to the same directory. You can now select the web component from the Component Type Combo box, and the Properties view lists properties described in the Web Component WC settings file. The component type property maps to an interface script on the front-end side. Leave the component type property undefined for URL-based web components as they don't require an interface script on the front end. Web components are complex widgets that display detailed information on the screen, like charts, calendars, or maps. Such widgets are usually resizable. You can use the stretch attribute to let the user control the resizing policy of a web component field.